All right. Good morning, kindergartners. I'm here today with Jack, who's going to help us with our number talk. It's technically your last day of school for the week, I think. So happy Thursday. Feels like a Friday. So we are going to do a different type of number talk today. We're going to do Splat. And for Splat today, some of you may have done this with me, but it might be new to a lot of you. So what's going to happen is I'm going to show you some dots up on the screen, and your first job is going to be to figure out how many dots there are. So when you know, pause it until you know, and then when you know, imagine you're giving me the thumbs up and you're ready to move on, and then you can go back to the video and look at the next part. So I'll show you the dots, figure out how many there are, and then we're going to do a splat. Okay, so here we go. Pause if you need to.
6.
And then Jack's going to tell us how many he thinks there are. How many do you see?
6.
6. How do you know that's 6?
Because 3 plus 3 is 6.
All right, so Jack sees the 3 and the 3. Kind of looks like a dice a little bit, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so there are 6 dots up on the screen, and now there's going to be a splat. And your job is to figure out how many dots are underneath the splat. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, splat. Oh, splat. Okay, so again, pause it if you need to try and figure out how many are under the splat. Imagine giving me that thumbs up, and then go ahead and see if you're correct. How many do you think are underneath the splat?
2.
2. Why?
Because there's 4 and there's supposed to be 6 and there's 3 right there and 1 that's the other 6 and then the other 2 are under there.
So 4 and then 5, 6, 2 more under there.
Mm-hmm.
All right, very nice job. Let's try one more.
6.
So this one has 6 as well. Imagine if you're agreeing. Do you agree with Jack? Show us that you agree. And then we're going to go ahead and splat it again, okay? So remember, you can pause to make sure that you get a chance to think before you hear what Jack thinks, okay? So here we go. There are 6, and here comes the splat. Okay, so think about it. Pause if you need to. How many do you think are under there?
4.
Why?
Because there's supposed to be 6 and there's only 2.
2, so then you know 3, 4, 5, 6.
Mm-hmm.
4 would be underneath. Let's see if he's right. He is correct. Very nice job. So we're thankful to Steve Wyborney, the same guy who does the Estimistries. He also has these awesome splats online. So that's what we're using today for our number talk. I will be back next week with some more number talks. Say bye, Jack.
Bye.